Next up in our wedding series is what I like to call our beach wedding bouquet. It's loose and unstructured, but elegant in its simplicity. This bouquet reminds me of what our brides used originally in the wedding ceremony, which were bitter herbs. An example is rosemary, oregano, and thyme. It was thought to ward off evil spirits. Wonder if they were thinking of their future mother-in-law. Today we're going to use baby's breath and eucalyptus to make this bouquet. A few other things that you'll need. Of course, our wax tape, some snips, some little pins, ribbon of your choice, and maybe a chenille stem. Let's get started. So before you start assembling, what you'll want to do is separate all of your stems and make sure they're all clean. And a little trick to cleaning eucalyptus, especially the spiral eucalyptus, is take a paper towel, grab a hold of those leaves you want to remove, and just strip it right down. It cleans it super easy and fast, and then you don't have that oil on your hands during assembly. Let's start with gathering your baby's breath. This is about 3 stems. You can use as much as you like, of course, with DIY. It gets to be your bouquet. Next, we'll use our spiral eucalyptus. And we're just going to rotate the bouquet using a parallel design style like we did last time, and just keep gathering and spinning. Next up is this gunny eucalyptus. It's lacy and delicate, a little bit more difficult to find, but if you can get it, oh, I love it so much. And then one last one, and then we're going to finish that off with some silver dollar eucalyptus. This is really going to fill it out nicely. And we are going to be ready to tie off. Now, if tying off is a little bit difficult, remember that chenille stem that you can use. All we're going to do is gather it and give it a little twist. Okay, now we're ready for tape. Use the wax tape. The wax tape is what helps keep your ribbon on when you finish it off. So remember, pull the wax tape and then rotate your bouquet. And you want to rotate the bouquet because it makes it smoother. And all you're looking for is about a hand width. Pull and rotate. All right, now we can finish this off with some pretty ribbon. What we want to do is cut maybe about 1.5 feet. I don't think you need any more than that. We're going to place it at the bottom, and again, spin your bouquet. This helps you really control that ribbon and keep it smooth. And now, to finish this off, what we're going to do, fold it over, and then just use a couple of decorative pins to secure it. And there's so many different little pins out there. These pearl ones are adorable. Excuse the puppy. Oh, on cue. And there you go. Simple, sweet, beautiful, romantic bouquet, perfect for the beach. I think this could be mother-in-law approved.